Hi dear friends, welcome back to my channel. Today also I came with another topic. Today my topic is, you can see here, built-in system, Electrolux freezer, refrigerator, that's mean bottom freezer, freestanding refrigerator. This refrigerator not working at all, that's mean not making cool. Now I'm going to repair this one. I will show you how to repair and we will go to the next step. You can see, dear friends, I already given power connection. It is model wise EN55LD13RD. This is the model. This one you can see here. This one should be actually double evaporator. That's mean this is the refrigerator side. Also down freezer. This is freezer. That's mean it should be evaporator double. That's mean it is not external, that is internal evaporator. I will show you the back side. You can see here, dear friends, it is solenoid valve. That's mean two capillaries. That's mean double evaporator. Now I given power. It is compressor is working. This is Embraco compressor inverter. 600A gas. That's mean butane gas. Now I'm going to check this one, why it's not getting cool, because condenser is already warming. It's hot actually. It's warming, but it's not making cool. Now we have to disconnect. We will break here charging valve. After that, if it is internally gas, we can check it is somewhere blockage or something. Otherwise it is leaking internally. While we are checking here, no any leakage, but anyway we will disconnect the charging point. After that we can understand if it is gas going out, that's mean it's no leaking, no leakage. Anyway we will remove and check. Now you can see, dear friends, I am disconnecting here. We can check it is whether gas. I will break here and we can check it is gas available or not. Yes dear, gas available. That means no leakage. You can see here. We have to clean the system. While you are going to break this type of system, that means 600A, don't remove with the welding gun, because it is flammable gas. You can see it is safety first. Because of that, don't do like that. You have to do the same way. You cut here, otherwise break the charging point or the gas will until going. Don't use welding gun. Anyway, now I remove the gas. I know now it is gas available. Now we can check the compressor also. I will disconnect here also. Now I already removed the here. You can see here. That means compressor also okay. Yes dear, compressor is okay. Now no need to check separately. I thought separately we have to check condenser and evaporator. It is whether leaking or not. That's mean nothing to worry. That's mean gas, no any leakage, because the system already having gas. Because of that, now I will do one thing. I will remove the here dry filter, and after that we have to do the careful this job. This solenoid we have to save. Because of that I will disconnect the power and we will recharge gas again, and we will check. It should actually cool because no any leakage. Now we have to remove here because we have to make the charging port, charging valve here. Also I'm going to disconnect this one. I will remove this one and we will flush system. It is any gas or inside gas or not, we have to check. Because of that, now I'm going to remove the solenoid valve here. This is two-way valve. I will disconnect here. Now I already disconnected. Now I have to remove here dry filter, also two capillary. While we are going to remove the capillary, we have to make sure it is not getting warm, because we have to do some wet cloths we have to use here. After that only we can remove. It is removing this one, we can flush the system, and we will remove terminal cup also because I have to refill the gas. And we will remove here also. Just here, now we can remove wires, otherwise it will get burned. Because of that, now enough, we can keep like that also, no problem. No need to disconnect. If you need, you can disconnect also, but I'm not going to disconnect because I have to make wall here. Now I have to cut here charging port. Now it's okay. I remove also terminal cup. Now dear friends, before removing two capillary, you have to mark this two capillary, otherwise it will get changed. That's been diffuser and refrigerator side. Because of that, you have to mark as same. After that only you have to remove. I will mark here. This one before also having one mark actually, but anyway I'm also doing as same. After that it's not changing. I make black here. This one I'm keeping normal. This black to black we have to. Now this one we have to use some wet cloth also while we are going to remove. First I will remove discharge line and suction line here. After that I will go to the next step. I will remove discharge, also suction both lines. Now I'm going to make charging port here. You can see I have to make charging port because we have to recharge the gas. Because of that, now I will make that one. Now dear friends, I'm going to remove here capillary tube. Also other one. Yes, I disconnected already. Now I'm going to remove here this one also, dry filter. Yes dear, now we can flush the system if it is any blockage. Now dear friends, I'm going to weld here discharge line and suction line, both charging port, because I have to clean the system because of that. Now it's okay dear friends, now I can flush the system. Now I will close here. Now dear friends, I'm going to flush the system, and I'm using nitrogen for the flushing. Also I'm going to use some liquid. I'm using 22 liquid, because actually if it is too much oil, it should come all together one time, and little bit liquid and nitrogen I'm going to use. Now dear friends, you can see here it is from the both capillary, it's coming here some oil inside. You can see here it's too much oil. That's why it's not making cool. Actually all the compressor oil gone to the system. Too much oil. It's too much oil inside. Now we have to refill the oil also, because all the oil, compressor oil already gone inside the system evaporate area. Now I will close one capillary and also I will keep it other one open because both capillary, that means both evaporator we have to clean properly because of that. Now you can see, dear friends, here also too much oil. I have to remove all the oils are here.